depart from platform 17A will be the 15:32 Northern service to Sheffield via Castleford. For Woodlesford, Castleford, Normanton, Wakefield, Kirkgate, Darton, Barnsley, Wombwell, Elsecar, Chapeltown, Meadowhall and Sheffield. This train has 2 carriages. Platform 17A for the 15:32 Northern service to Sheffield via Castleford. The next train to arrive at platform 16 will be the 15:30 Trans-Pennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Victoria. For Huddersfield, Manchester Victoria, Newton Willows and Liverpool Lime Street. The next train to depart from platform 5B will be the 15:33 Northern service to Ilkley. For Guiseley, Memston, Burnley Inglefield, Benredding and Ilkley. This train has 4 carriages. Platform 5B for the 15:33 Northern service to Ilkley. The train at platform 8 is the 15:45 LNER service to London King's Cross. For Wakefield Westgate, Doncaster, Peterborough and London King's Cross. This train has 8 carriages. An at-seat service of right refreshments is available on the train. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Platform 8 for the 15:45 LNER service to London King's Cross. The next train to arrive at platform 15B will be the 15:33 Trans-Pennine Express service to Hull. For Selby, Rough and Hull. Please do not leave your luggage unattended. Unattended luggage may be removed or destroyed by the security services. A secure left luggage facility is located on the north concourse to enable passengers to store their luggage. The next train to arrive at platform 15 will be the 15:42 Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle. For York, Northallerton, Darlington, Durham, Chesterley Street and Newcastle. The next train to arrive at platform